My favorite thing to order at Chinese takeout restaurants, General Tso's chicken. I probably get this every time I go to a Chinese restaurant. It's kind of like my meal. I use to judge how good they are. So look, first you're going to start off by chopping up some green onions and take you some broccoli and break it apart. And look, then I'm going to slice my chicken into some 1-inch chunks, set it to the side. Now I'm making my marinade, 2 egg whites, half a cup of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Hit it with some garlic powder, toasted sesame oil, some onion powder. This is going to be our wet batter for our chicken. So you're going to drop that chicken in there, mix it up real nice and good, and let it sit for 30 minutes. All right, now we're making the sauce for the chicken. We're going to drop some oil, the ginger, garlic, chicken stock, 3 cups of sugar. Then I'm going to hit it with some sriracha, a tablespoon of cornstarch, and then that soy sauce. Mix that until it's nice and thick and reduced. I'm going to drop everything in the bowl, that chicken, the broccoli, the sauce. Then we're just going to toss it. And that's how you make